How to read and view PDF attachments. In this tutorial, we will guide you to read and view PDF attachments using Adobe Acrobat Reader. Before beginning, make sure you have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed in order to view PDF attachments. In order to install Adobe Acrobat Reader, visit to https://get.adobe.com/reader. Users can skip this part if they already have Acrobat Reader installed on their system. Let's begin. To prevent installing unwanted software, make sure to uncheck these options. Click on Download button to begin the installation process. Open the PDF file containing the attachments you want to view. Right-click on the PDF file and choose Open with Adobe Acrobat Reader option. Upon opening the PDF file, user will see an attachment option if there are any attachments within the PDF. To view attachments, always look for the paperclip icon as it can be found in different locations depending on what version of the Acrobat Reader is being used by the user. Click on it to view all the attachments. All the attachments within the PDF can be viewed in this panel. Right-click on the attachment to view attachment options. Open attachment option to open it. Save attachment option to save the attachment. And search attachments option to search between the multiple attachments. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.